In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your Lazada seller account so you can start selling your products online. To begin, go to Lazada Seller Center. You can find the link by scanning the QR below. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up to get started. Fill in the required information, including your mobile number, email address, password, and contact details. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions before clicking Register. Once you've received the OTP 6-digit code, go to the inbox and key in the said codes for verification. This step is crucial to verify your account. Now that your mobile number is verified, log in to the Lazada Seller Center using the email and password you provided during registration. Click on your profile icon and go to Profile Settings. Here, you can provide additional details about your business, such as your store name, address, and contact information. Next, click on My Shop and follow the prompts to set up your store. Add a shop name, logo, and a brief description of your business. This is your opportunity to make a great first impression on potential customers. To start selling, click on Products and then Add a Product. Fill in the details, including product name, description, price, and images. Make sure your product listings are clear and attractive visuals, video and photo ads to attract buyers. Center dashboard for orders and customer inquiries. Happy selling on Lazada.
Set up your bank account for payouts.
If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out the Lazada Seller Center resources or contact their support team. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your online business. If you are not a subscriber yet, kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell for more updates. Don't forget to like and share my video. Thanks, guys. God bless you all.